Prior to this work, we really expected to find ice on Mercury, both on the surface and below the surface. And we expected that the subsurface ice would be covered by a layer of Mercury soil. What MLA found, however, was that the subsurface ice was in fact covered by a very dark material, much darker than the surface of Mercury. And the question is, why? Where could this stuff have come from? Comets, which are rich in both water ice and organic material, impact Mercury. When this material hits Mercury, it's warmed by the sun, and then over time, the material continues to migrate to colder and colder places, and then piles up to make what you might imagine to be sort of a little ice cap inside each one of these cold craters. In the coldest places, we find surface bright water ice, and then in the surrounding regions, where it's too warm for surface ice to form, we find subsurface ice that's covered by a layer of dark material. This dark material probably was at one time inside the ice in the form of organics and then got concentrated at the surface. The material darkened over time and then forms the surface deposit that's now observed by MLA.